Welcome back to Devopriya's Chemistry channel. So today we'll discuss about quick trick to find out alpha hydrogen in any kind of aldehyde and ketones. So first of all you have to find out the COO group. Here you can see that find out the COO group. Then you have to look at the carbon attached directly to that COO group. That carbon is known as alpha carbon. Okay, so first of all to identify alpha hydrogen you have to find out the alpha carbon. Then any kind of hydrogen that is attached to that carbon that is known as alpha carbon, then the hydrogen is known as alpha hydrogen. So now we have to take some examples where we identify the alpha hydrogen. Okay, so our first example is CH3CHO, that is known as acetaldehyde. So here I have already solved this, that is COO group. First of all we have to identify that is the COO group. Here we can see that is the COO group here present, and attached of this COO group one carbon is present, that is known as alpha carbon. Then this carbon has 3 hydrogen, so the number of alpha hydrogen, that is 3 alpha hydrogen. Then if we go to the next example, that is CH3 CH2 CHO. So first of all we have to identify the COO group, then adjacent carbon of that COO group. Here this is the adjacent carbon, and here the number of hydrogen, that is 2 alpha hydrogen. Okay, so next example is acetone. Acetone, the structure of the acetone is CH3COCH3. First of all you have to simplify the structure. Okay, so first of all you have to identify the COO group here. Now you can see that 2 carbon atoms are adjacent directly attached to that COO group. So here total number of alpha carbon, that is 2, and total number of hydrogen, that is 3 plus 3, that is 6 alpha hydrogen has present in acetone. Okay, next is PHCHO. Okay, so our next example is PHCHO. Okay, so that is benzaldehyde. So for benzaldehyde we also have to simplify the structure. Here we can see that phenyl group is present like in this way, or pH group that is present. Okay, so this compound has no alpha hydrogen, that is no alpha carbon is present in that compound. That's why it has 0 alpha hydrogen. Okay, our next example is formaldehyde. So first of all we have to simplify our structure. Okay, so HCOOH. Here also we have to find out the COO group. Then there is no alpha carbon is present. Here we can see hydrogen has present but no alpha carbon. Hydrogen must have to be directly attached to that carbon, then the hydrogen will be known as alpha hydrogen, but no carbon is present besides the COO group. So that's why it also has 0 alpha hydrogen. Okay, next is as benzophenone, that is PHCOPH. Okay, so from the compound we can detect the structure. Here one COO group is present and no alpha carbon is directly attached to the COO group. That's why it also has 0 alpha hydrogen. Our next example, that is acetophenone. Okay, so benzophenone and acetophenone, these are 2 different compounds. In benzophenone we can see 2 phenyl groups are attached to the COO group, and in acetophenone 1 phenyl group and 1 CH3 group attached to the COO group. Okay, so here also we can simplify the structure, COO then CH3. Okay, so first find out the COO group, and then here 1 alpha carbon is present, so 3 alpha hydrogen has present in acetophenone. Next our example is very important in IIT JEE exam, that is pivaldehyde or trimethyl acetaldehyde. We know the structure of acetaldehyde is CH3CHO. If the hydrogen of that acetaldehyde will be replaced by any kind of methyl groups, like only methyl groups, then trimethyl acetaldehyde will be known as pivaldehyde. Okay, so here also you have to like simplify the structure. So for any kind of chemistry problems, you have to, for organic chemistry, you have to simplify the structure, then our example will be easily solved. So here how many alpha carbons is present? So first of all we have to identify the COO group, then attached to that COO group one carbon is present, but that is not the alpha carbon, that is the tertiary group is here present. So also it also has the 0 alpha hydrogen. So pivaldehyde also do not undergo aldol condensation. So for aldol condensation, that may be the our next video, that what kind of compounds undergo aldol condensation, then the mechanism of aldol condensation will also uploaded, like crossed aldol condensation or self aldol condensation. So our next example is CH3 whole thrice CCOCH3. So from the examples you can see that this is the COO group and this is a tertiary carbon, okay, 3 degree carbon, and here one carbon atom is present, that is the alpha hydrogen. So alpha carbon, sorry, that is the alpha carbon, and the number of hydrogen attached to that carbon, that is the alpha hydrogen. So 3 alpha hydrogen is present in pinacolon. Our next example is cyclohexanone. So cyclohexanone, here you can see the structure, it has the COO group, and along with that benzene group has the adjacent hydrogen, right? So it has the hydrogen, that is the alpha hydrogen. So it contains alpha hydrogen, it undergoes the aldol condensation. Okay, so these are the all examples, like these are the only 10 examples where we can find the alpha hydrogen. So that's all for today. If you like our video, then please subscribe our channel, and whenever we uploaded the next video you can get the notification. Thank you, tata, bye bye.